Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. Today, as you can see, we are doing onion rings. It's crispy, it's lovely, it's sweet, it's delicious. So come along with me and let's do this. If you are new here, you are welcome. This is where we do lovely recipes. Just look at that. It's so crispy. Guys, this is delicious. Right guys, so to get started, you cut your onions into rings, as you can see here. About a quarter of an inch is okay. You can use any onion of your choice. This is what I prefer. All right, so you cut them into rings and then you try and remove them one by one. As you can see, it's very easy to do. Right, so to make our batter for the onion rings, I have my plain flour here and I'm going to add my spices. I have some garlic powder, I have some black pepper, some cayenne pepper, some paprika. I'll put them all down in the description box. So I add that to my plain flour, and also I'm adding some corn flour as well. As you can see, yeah, this is corn flour. It helps with the crispiness of the onion rings. I tell you guys, you have to try this recipe. So mix it nicely so that it's well incorporated. Right, so next I'm adding some cold sparkling water. Okay, I'll add it in bits to get the consistency that I prefer. So I mix that nicely. So just come along with me. Just want to say thank you to all my subscribers and to everyone who watched my videos. I'm so grateful. May God richly bless you all. Those who share my videos as well and those who comment, I'm so grateful. Thank you so much for watching my videos. So may God richly bless you all. Right, so coat my onion rings. You put that in the batter first and then you put it into breadcrumbs. Okay, so this is breadcrumbs I'm using. You can use any breadcrumbs of your choice. It's all good. Right guys, you're about to fry our onion rings. Make sure that your fire is on medium heat so that you don't burn your onion rings. And when you're frying them, as soon as it's nice and crispy and golden brown, you take them out of the oil. Okay, yeah, so yeah, this is really lovely. It smells really good, I tell you, because of the butter. It smells amazing. So guys, this is our onion rings. It's sweet, it's crispy, it's delicious. You can make it for any occasion, any celebration. I tell you, you are going to love it. It's very easy to do. So if you like this recipe, do give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching and may God richly bless you. Bye.